In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fidelity password. This process is simple, yet it's crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Fidelity. Head over to Fidelity's website on your computer or mobile browser. Enter your current username and password to sign in. It's important to keep your login details secure, as they are your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your profile. Look at the top of the page and click on Profile. From there, navigate to the Security Center, which you will find under the Security section. This is where you can manage various security settings related to your account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section as it can help you enhance your account security further. Now, let's move on to changing your password. In the Security Center, under Login Information, you'll see the option to update or change password. Click on that. You'll need to enter your current password first. After that, type in your new password. Make sure it is strong and unique. Fidelity recommends using a long password that doesn't include personal information like birthdays or phone numbers. Doing so keeps your account safer from potential breaches. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. This step ensures you've entered the password correctly and helps prevent any typos that could lock you out of your account later. Next up, it's time to save your changes. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Then click on Submit, Update, or Save, depending on the option available on your screen. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your password has been successfully changed. This confirmation is crucial as it assures you that your new password is now in effect. Now, what if you've forgotten your password? No worries. Simply go to the Fidelity login page and look for the option that says Forgot Username or Password. Click on that link. You'll be prompted to verify your identity, which typically involves answering security questions or receiving a verification code. Once your identity is confirmed, you can create a new password. After setting a new password, use it to sign into your account. One last tip, consider enabling multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA, for added security. This feature requires an additional verification step, usually a code sent to your phone or email. It adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Remember, using a strong, unique password and enabling multi-factor authentication significantly enhances your account's security. These small steps can save you a lot of time and trouble in the future by keeping your financial information safe. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your Fidelity password. Keeping your password updated and secure is an important part of managing your online accounts. Make sure to review and refresh your passwords regularly to maintain optimal security. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your accounts securely. Until next time, stay safe online.